Hello and welcome to So You Want to Pass the Diploma. Today I'm going to be talking about Unit 2, the Coursework portfolio, and Section 1, which is the observation instrument. So first, what is an observation instrument? Here's a little definition I found on the net. Basically, an instrument is a tool for organizing, observing, arranging behavior that you see in a classroom. So you're going to record this data and then you're going to draw some conclusions to help you improve your teaching. That's the theory behind it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my observation instrument and relate it to the syllabus, and then I think everything will be a little clearer. Okay, this is my observation instrument all the way back in 2010 when I finished it. It's on evaluating teacher body language. Here are the contents. You can see it's very clearly labelled. This is very important for both you and the examiner, the assessor. Professional interest, background on the teachers being observed, and I would urge you to try and observe the most experienced teachers you could find. I really learnt a lot from observing teachers who are a lot more experienced than me. And below that I've pointed out three important sections. There are two rationale sections and evaluation, and I have a question for you. What is the percentage of marks that you get for each of these three sections? Take a moment and have a little guess. Okay, let's look at the Trinity syllabus, the marking criteria. Okay, for the first rationale, statement of the initial instrument, the reasons for your instrument, why you're doing it, what data you hope to get, 20%. For the second rationale, you're going to change this instrument twice and give reasons, 25%. And the final evaluation, 40%. And you also get 15 for presentation. So for those three sections I showed you, you actually get 85%. So bear this in mind as you're doing your projects. Okay, let me show you what my instrument looked like. They really vary. Different teachers have different ways of doing it. So as you remember, my topic is body language. So along the top there are different forms of body language, and along the left hand side there is time. So you have 5 minutes, then I would take a break and take some photos. So in the 5 minutes I would take this piece of paper into the classroom, and while the teacher was moving around, talking, smiling, I would just write down in pen what I saw. Teacher smiles, teacher moves to table to talk to students, whatever. And this was my first instrument. And then I made a few revisions. So this was the second version. I think I just got rid of one of the categories, the category touching, because the teacher didn't touch any of the students. And then eventually there's a final version, which is almost the same, but it's color coded. It's a little bit more sophisticated. I had a whole color coding system which I won't bore you with now. So that's my observation instrument with two revisions. I've just shown you how I did it. Basically, I would urge you to remember to put a lot of effort into organizing your initial rationale. This is most important. Okay, that's all from me. Hope this is useful. Bye.